What if you could run an entire business without hiring a large team? Imagine having a writer, designer, marketer, assistant, customer support agent, and business analyst working for you 24/7. That's exactly what the right AI tech stack can do. The biggest advantage of being a solopreneur in 2026 isn't working harder. It's building a business powered by AI systems. Today, I'll show you the ultimate AI tech stack that helps you create content, attract customers, automate tasks, and scale efficiently. Before choosing tools, remember this: don't collect AI tools. Build AI systems. A great tech stack solves problems. A bad tech stack creates complexity. Let's keep it simple. Layer 1, the AI brain. Every business needs a central thinking system. For this role, use ChatGPT or Claude. These tools help with research, strategy writing, brainstorming, planning, problem solving. Think of this as your digital business advisor. Layer 2, content creation. Content attracts attention. Attention creates opportunities. Use ChatGPT for scripts, Canva AI for graphics, ElevenLabs for voiceovers, Pictory or CapCut AI for videos. This combination allows one person to produce content like a full media team. With this stack, one idea can become a YouTube video shorts, social media posts, blog articles, email newsletters. The goal is content leverage, not content overload. Layer 3, business organization. Information scattered across multiple apps creates confusion. Use Notion AI as your business headquarters. Store projects, SOPs, ideas, meeting notes, content calendars, customer insights. Everything stays organized and searchable. Layer 4, automation. Now let's connect everything. Use Zapier to automate repetitive workflows. When someone fills out a form, save the lead. Send an email. Update your CRM, notify your team. Create a follow-up task, no manual work required. Automation isn't about replacing people. It's about eliminating repetitive work so you can focus on growth. Every automated workflow gives you time back. Layer 5, marketing and lead generation. To attract customers consistently, combine content, lead magnets, email automation, AI chatbots. Together, they create a marketing system that generates leads every day, even when you're offline. Instead of chasing customers, your content attracts them. Your automation nurtures them. Your offers convert them. That's the power of a connected AI ecosystem. Layer 6, customer support. Customer experience matters. Use AI chatbots and knowledge bases to answer common questions instantly. Fast support builds trust. Trust builds revenue. And revenue fuels growth. Layer 7, analytics and decision-making. Finally, use AI to understand your business performance. Analyze content performance, sales trends, customer behavior, marketing results. The best decisions are data-driven decisions. AI helps you see patterns you might otherwise miss. Here's what your complete AI tech stack looks like. Brain, ChatGPT or Claude content, Canva, AI, ElevenLabs, Pictory organization, Notion AI automation, Zapier marketing, email automation plus AI chatbots. Support, AI help desk, analytics, AI-powered reporting tools, one entrepreneur, one AI-powered business system. If you found this AI tech stack useful, subscribe to ElevenLabs. Every week, we share practical AI systems, automation strategies, high-income skills, and wealth-building insights to help you grow faster with less effort. And if you're already using AI in your business, let us know in the comments which tool saves you the most time. Over the course of this series, you've learned the best AI tools for entrepreneurs, how to automate your business, how to build a content engine, how to generate leads, how to save time, how to automate customer support, and how to build a complete AI-powered business stack. The next step isn't learning more tools. It's implementing what you've learned. Choose one system, build it, improve it, then move to the next. Because in the AI economy, those who build systems will always outperform those who rely solely on effort. This is ElevenLabs, where skills create income, income builds wealth, and wealth creates freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next series.